Today, we are going to talk about something many website owners forget and how to also get it high in the search engine and AI rankings. I'm Steven, and I'll be your guide today. What should a small business update on its website every month? The essentials are backups, software updates, links, forms, business information, content, and analytics. You do not need to rebuild the website every month, but you should make sure it remains secure, accurate, and useful. Start with a backup. Before changing software or content, confirm that the website has a recent backup and that it can actually be restored. A backup is only useful if it contains the files and database you would need after a problem. If backups run automatically, check the latest completion report instead of simply assuming they work. Next, review software updates. This is especially important for websites built with systems such as WordPress. The website platform, theme, and plugins may all receive security fixes and compatibility improvements. Apply updates carefully, preferably after creating a backup, and check the important pages afterwards. An update that completes successfully can still affect a form, menu, or page layout. Then test the links and forms. Visit the main pages and click the links that matter most. Check navigation, service pages, social media links, downloadable files, and buttons leading to the contact page. Broken links frustrate visitors and can make a website feel neglected. Submit every important form as though you were a potential customer. Confirm that the form displays a success message, sends the notification to the correct person, and produces a useful confirmation for the visitor. Test it from a phone as well as a computer. A contact form can look perfectly normal while its messages are being filtered, sent to an old address, or lost because of a technical error. Now, review the practical information about the business. Check opening hours, telephone numbers, email addresses, staff details, prices, delivery information, and service areas. If the company has changed what it offers, make sure the website reflects that change. Customers should not have to telephone you to discover whether basic information is still correct. The next task is content. This does not mean publishing an article merely to satisfy a monthly schedule. Start by improving what is already there. Update an old service page. Add an answer to a real customer question or replace an outdated example with a recent one. Useful, accurate content is more valuable than frequent content with nothing new to say. Look for evidence that can make the website more convincing. A recent testimonial, completed project, case study, photograph, or frequently asked question can show that the business is active and experienced. Always get the appropriate permission before publishing customer names, quotations, or images. It is also worth checking the website on a few different screen sizes. Open the home page, main service page, and contact page on a phone. Look for text that is difficult to read, buttons that are too close together, images that extend beyond the screen, and pop-ups that block the content. These problems can appear after an innocent content change, even when the original design was mobile-friendly. Finally, review the analytics. You do not need to inspect every available number. Ask practical questions. Which pages attracted visitors? Where did those visitors come from? Which pages encouraged people to make contact, and where did they leave? Compare the results with the previous month, but remember that small businesses may see natural variations. Use what you find to choose one improvement for the next month. If a useful service page receives very few visits, improve the way it is linked and described. If many people visit a page but do not continue, check whether the next step is clear. If a campaign creates traffic but no inquiries, review both the audience and the page they reached. A simple routine makes this manageable. Begin with backups and updates. Test links and forms. Confirm the business information. Improve one useful piece of content. Check the mobile experience, then use analytics to choose the next improvement. The goal is not constant change. The goal is to prevent small problems from becoming expensive ones and to keep the website aligned with the business it represents. Choose one day each month for this review and keep a short record of what you checked, what you changed, and what needs attention next. Thank you for watching the whole video. If this is of any use of you, please leave a like and comment, and see you in the next one.